Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Power off the phone and backup data before starting any repair. Remove any case and test the physical feel of the volume rocker carefully. Check if the volume button physically sticks or only fails in software by toggling while observing sound or on-screen changes. Reboot into safe mode to rule out app conflicts. Use a multimeter or continuity tester to verify button contact when pressed. Note if the phone shows inconsistent behavior versus a clear hardware failure. Heat the back to 60 degrees C for 2 minutes to soften adhesive safely. Peel the rear glass slowly using a plastic pick and a suction cup tool. Remove the 2 Phillips screws at the bottom and lift the back gently to access internals. Unscrew shielding and locate the volume button flex cable on the chassis. Disconnect the battery before touching internal components or the volume flex. Inspect the flex for tears, corrosion, or loose solder joints inside the port area. If the flex is damaged, replace the volume flex assembly with an OEM or high-quality part. Use a heat gun at low setting and a plastic spudger to free stubborn connectors without bending pins. Reconnect the battery and test the new flex before reassembly to confirm button function. Reapply adhesive and press the back for 2 minutes to ensure a solid seal and proper alignment. Test volume buttons thoroughly after reassembly and calibrate in settings if needed. Keep screws organized and record repair steps for warranty purposes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.